Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a quick install video on how to put on a Ranger Point Precision front guard on a Rossi lever action rifle. It's going to be the same for the Puma model, the Rossi model. No difference, it's really simple. The takedown is easy. There are a lot of videos out there, so I'm not going to do a takedown video. Go search up disassembly videos and you'll find them galore. Anyway, what you need to do is, I just remove the stock just because I have a small workspace here, but you don't need to take off the stock. The first thing you got to do is remove your, take off all the barrel clamps and everything, take out your front sight, and remove your magazine tube. And then in the kit, it comes with this piece adapter. That piece will sit inside here, okay? So what we're going to do is, once we took everything off, we're going to slide it down. Okay, so now that screws in, I just put a little bit of Loctite on that end there, threw it in. It comes with its own Allen key. Shoot, where did I just put that Allen key? Anyway, it's around here somewhere. Oh, here it is. So it comes with its own Allen key. Just use the tools that came with it, or you can use your own tools. And all you do is slide it on, align it with that little groove, which is the same type of groove that's here and here. You want the one that holds your foregrip in, okay? So you take that in and you screw it down until it's tight and it's not moving. You'll notice when it snugs up. And then what we're going to do next, take a look down the muzzle to make sure that it is straight. And yes, all you safety Nazis, the gun is obviously unloaded. Hope you have a little bit of brains to make sure that that is unloaded before you do it. Anyway, so you make sure that this is lined up straight as you can be with this, and then we are going to put the handguard on. The little groove end goes into the groove end, the flat end stays out, and then we add the two screws in. Okay, so once you get it up there, mine's one might be a little bit out of spec as far as my frame goes, so it has a slight little upwards bend here, but it seems to be holding on tight now. After you get the left side and right side screw, you simply just center it up and send it on. Alright, so got it on. That's actually what it should look like. Straight down the bottom. There we go. So now, we're going to go ahead and put our magazine tube in, put everything back on, line everything back up, and show you what that looks like done. Okay, once you have your, put everything back together, put your magazine tube in, put your barrel band and magazine tube connector back. If you have a muzzle brake, your front sight, etc., put it all back together. And that's what it looks like when it's done. I mean, pretty simple, nothing too complicated, just taking off the barrel band again. All that stuff you should already know how to do if you're gonna attempt this mod. And another thing to make sure is that it is even. There is a slight little wiggle here and there, but according to the manual, it will break in. This rubber piece here is going to basically sit as you shoot it, and then you just kind of torque everything down as you go. Anyway, there we go. That is the Rossi 92 Ranger Point Precision foregrip. So you just go ahead and reassemble everything, put your stock back on, sling, all that good stuff. All right, hope this helps somebody out.